Hello friend and welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video, we will be playing Would You Rather Snacks and Junk Food Edition. Before we get into the video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for fun videos like this. Thank you, and let's get started. 1. Would you rather Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks? Two. Would you rather Kit Kat or Milky Way? Three. Would you rather Pringles Original or Doritos 3D? Four. Popeyes or KFC? That is a difficult choice, right? Five. Would you rather Hot Cheetos or Hot Takis? What do you like more? Six. Would you rather Triple Double Oreo or Most Oreo? Seven. Reese's Full Peanut Butter or Hershey's Chocolate Bar? Eight. Would you rather donuts or cookies? Nine. Would you rather eat chicken nuggets or onion rings? Ten. Coca-Cola or Pepsi? Which team do you choose? Eleven. Would you rather eat pizza or eat spaghetti? Twelve. Sour Patch Kids or Swedish Fish? That's a difficult choice, right? Thirteen. Would you rather Dairy Queen Blizzard or ICEE? Twelve. Cheesecake or slice of apple pie? Which team do you choose? Fifteen. Would you rather drink iced coffee or iced tea? Sixteen. Next up, would you rather poke or salad? Seventeen. Cupcake or muffin? Which team do you choose? Eighteen. Would you rather have a Big Mac or a triple cheeseburger? $19. Would you rather Taco Bell Crunchy Taco or Doritos Locos Tacos? $20. Cheez-Its or Goldfish? That's a difficult choice, right? 21. Would you rather Red Bull or Monster Energy? Many people like these drinks. 22. Would you rather eat waffles or pancakes? 23. Would you rather cotton candy or lollipop? 24. Would you rather eat sushi or sashimi? 25. Would you rather Lay's or Pringles? 'Not easy, right? Leave your comments below to let us know. 26. Would you rather eat steak or chicken? 27. Would you rather drink yogurt or milk? I love them both. 28. Would you rather apple or banana? These popular fruits are loved by many. 29. Would you rather brownies or chocolate fudge? 30. Fanta or Sprite? That's a difficult choice, right? 31. Would you rather eat at McDonald's or eat at Chick-fil-A? 32. Would you rather eat cookies or Twinkies? 33. Would you rather have hot chocolate or milkshake? 34. Corn dog or hot dog? Which team do you choose? 35. Grape or cherry? Which fruit will you choose? 36. Would you rather eat bacon or sausages? 'Would you rather orange or grapefruit? 38. Would you rather eat popcorn or eat nachos? 39. Would you rather spinach or Brussels sprouts? 40. Would you rather raspberries or strawberries? Thank you for watching the video. We really hope you all had a good time on our channel, and if you do, be sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next videos.